Hello, I'm Bruce, I'm your product consultant. Let's take a look at what could be your next car. This lovely example of a BMW M5. This one's a 2006 5-litre V10 with switchable power mode from 400 horsepower to 507. It comes in an exclusive BMW individual colour called Onyx Blue, which was a £7,000 extra, and it'll probably come with the snazzy private number plate too, because it's not got an MOT and I'm not sure if you can take the number plate off. It has a wonderful engine running on 9 of the 10 cylinders just now. Only needs £1,600 worth of fuel injectors to be fully functional once again. This one also comes, as do all E60 model BMWs, with windscreen wipers that have been engineered for the left-hand drive market only. Isn't that wonderful? It comes with the M5 decals here, 2 broken front coil springs, rusty brakes that will all need replaced, M5 mirrors. This one's got the D-chrome pack, obviously. Look at all the climate change friendly moss growing. You see, it's like a garden on wheels. That's lovely. The M5 boot spoiler and 2 other individual bits on the M5. The number plate area on the standard ones is completely different to this one. It has 4 exhaust pipes, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and believe it or not, this one has a tow bar. Yes, it's got a tow pack from the factory. So, should you ever get it running again, you could probably tow your caravan at near to 200 miles an hour. Wouldn't that be lovely? Rear window blind, great for the doggers. And in addition, window blinds here and here. Full leather, 2-tone, merino leather. Again, another BMW individual extra. Even leather down here. As an individual model, with the champagne leather, the headlining, which is ordinarily black in the M5, was specified in matching champagne. And there's the rear window blind also on the screen. That one's electrically operated, and it has the piano black embellishments and the M5 kick strips. Delightful. What else have we got? Oh, look at it. Look at it. The OBD reader cover is already open, ready for you to diagnose the faults. It comes with the SMG 7-speed, the head-up display, the stitched leather dashboard, the flappy paddles, cruise control, and look! Not one switch blank, heated seats, electric bolsters that adjust when you turn, don't know, something else, yeah, wonderful. Lots of buttons to press. She's a delight. Make me an offer. This car could be yours today. Thank you so much for your interest. Don't hesitate to contact me, Bruce, and I'll be delighted to speak to you. Thank you and goodbye.